Want to know how to change your username in well-found or AngelList? Well, no worries. In this video, I'm going to show you an easy step-by-step guide on how you can do it. It's super simple and under a minute, so let's get straight to it. Now, first things first, you can just simply open up your wellfound.com website. So it has been renamed from AngelList. So you can just simply open it up and make sure you are logged in as well. So we have also created various videos on how to make AngelList or wellfound work and how to work with them. So let's get straight to it in this video. So on the top right side, you should be seeing your profile or your avatar. Just select that and then select settings right here. That should be right below open preferences. So once you've selected that, you should be on the general by default. Now right here you should be seeing username as well. So you can just simply select it and then just simply select any one of the username that you want and then select your current password and then select save changes once you're done. And that's it. So once everything is done, you should be good to go. I hope this video helped. This is how you easily change your username. Make sure to like, subscribe and tune in with us for more of these videos. See you in the next one.